So the third strip only had one screw in it. Wow. You got 3 on that one, Wick, right?
Yeah, I know what I got on the small one in the back. Oh, there's looks like a ground strap on there. Did you have that on your side?
The cable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a tension cable.
That's a tension cable. Yeah, it's there. And now we were talking about adjusting this top, and it's this set screw right, where the hell did it go? Right in there. Let me turn the light on. That guy right there. Right there. See him? That guy. How's your screw count?
Well, the one pulled right through the weather stripping.
Oh, that's cute.
This one I'm trying to do by braille here. I'm having a little bit of trouble because I can't see it.
Tricky little buggers.
Yeah.
Sorry for the background noise, because it's windier than shit.
Yeah, and I think our neighbors are doing some tumbling of rocks or something over there. We got a rock tumbler going.
Is that over on Bo's side?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe I should text him and be like, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, what are you guys making over there?
Geology projects?
Alright, so...
Yeah, this one had
But
3 of the same
this,
screws too.
This one it pulled right through, so I don't think these are... I think the heads needs to be bigger than this, because this
Biggerer?
That one pulled right through.
Biggerer. That's an official statement from Wick. This guy. Oh, yeah, that one pulled out.
Yes. The head wasn't quite right.
And then in here, fuck, have fun.
Yeah.
Go fish.
Yeah. Should be one up here at the top somewhere.
See what Wiki finds.
There's one. Doesn't feel like it had much of a plate on it.
Is that like, yeah?
That was it.
Ooh!
1 of 3.
1 of 3. Little glue on the top material. Now the top material is gonna get all friggin' wonky.
It seemed to me like this top material should have been trimmed back here. You know, it should have been glued and pressed in place.
Yeah.
And trimmed, where I seriously doubt that you're supposed to screw through the top material.
No, because the Weatherstrip, how can the Weatherstrip seal on the backside when it has a piece of fabric between it?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. In California, maybe it does in Mississippi, but yeah, so I'm pretty sure these are the wrong screws.
Yeah, your side, okay, you have completely different screws than what I have.
Oh, that's shocking.
Look, I got these.
Oh, yeah.
And then these, I'll pull these out. Look at that. They're different.
Yeah, that's another Home Depot screw right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then this one's got Home Depot all over it.
Yeah. Well, see, on that side, they're probably like, yeah, that head on that screw just a little bit too small because pull right through this thing here, so maybe we need a screw with a bigger head on it. Yep. So we go to Home Depot and get one of those tech screws instead of going to our trusty dusty GTO assembly manual and saying, what did the factory use? They probably figured that shit out, I bet. They probably had some engineer work long and hard on getting the right screw that would go through these holes without, you can just tell that doesn't look right.
Yeah, you can put that in by hand pretty much through the
wrong
other
way,
side.
yeah. And this has a metal reinforcing rod in it. You know, it's not like it's just
A piece of rubber shit.
So try to find something that size.
Oh joy.